Hi, this is Shihao. Today I'm going to present to you Design Exercise and Critique Task 2. I will be demonstrating the design improvement of the Twitter app on navigation, fleets, and filtering on timeline. First, as you can see, the hamburger menu button is reallocated to the tab bar. Tap on the button to access hamburger menu. So swiping from left to right gesture now is used to access the camera to record a fleet. Let's tap into someone's profile page. In order to filter the contents on your timeline, a drop-down menu is added besides the following button. You can assign one or more tags to someone you follow. Let's go back to see how to filter your timeline. Tap on the new filter button to bring up the filter pane. You can filter on the tweets based on whether a tweet meets all the tags you select or any of the tags you select. Of course, if you change your mind, you can tap on the cancel button or the background to cancel the action. Once you select tags, types, and sorter option, press the apply button to apply the changes to your timeline. In this case, artist is selected, so only the tweets from the people you follow and you assign the artist tag will show up on your timeline. You can clear all the tags and go back to your normal timeline.